All right, guys, welcome to the Wednesday workout for May 13th. Now today, there's a lot to get into. So I'm not going to break it down necessarily as to movement per movement and how the workout goes. I will go over the flow of the workout. I'll demo a few of the movements. But as always, if you guys got the SugarWOD app, you'll be able to see it. And then obviously on this video, you guys will be able to see the workout description. So real quick, let's talk about the flow of the workout. Now let's start with the equipment version because the equipment version is going to be a little bit different than the all body weight one. So essentially, we have what we can call two blocks almost, right? So we do have 4 rounds, but let's break it down into block 1 and then block 2. So at the start of 0, you guys have 5 minutes to get 1 full round done. In that remaining time, you would then obviously rest. At the start of 5, you would then redo that same round. All right? And then now we can look at block 2. Start of the 15th minute, because it's going to be a continuous running clock. We're not going to restart the clock over, so every 5 minutes. So for block 2, essentially that 3rd round is going to start at the 15-minute mark. Then we would do the first round of block 2, and then at the 20-minute mark, we would do the second round of block 2, and then that would be the workout as far as the equipment version goes. All body weight version. This one's going to be a little shorter. We're still going to do 4 rounds, but it's going to be every 3 minutes. Same thing, continuous running clock, and then the rounds aren't going to change, the repetitions or anything like that. That's all going to stay the same. So it's just every 3 minutes we're going to continuously do that same round. All right, so hopefully that kind of clears the flow a bit. Let's start with the equipment version of what we need. We do need a pair of dumbbells or 1 single dumbbell, and then obviously an odd object from there, right? That's your guys' choice. So the equipment version, it all falls into those pieces of equipment. So let's start off. Again, it's set with a pair for today. Now, if you guys only have 1 dumbbell, whatever the number repetition is for that particular movement, just take it to something that's going to be even and start to do split the reps evenly between 1 arm. All right, so we do have dumbbell thrusters. Both heads of the dumbbell are going to be up on top of my shoulders. This is the one where we're going to do that full squat, right? And then we're going to press overhead. If you only have 1 dumbbell, obviously just doing it with 1 arm. And then you guys again switch and make it even. Next dumbbell movement, we have dumbbell clean and jerks. This one is going to be from the ground. So setting up, the first one, obviously both heads are going to be on the floor. That clean, I'm going to pop it up to my shoulders, I'm going to catch. Now the jerk part is going to be that single dip. I'm going to look to drive, then overhead, and then stand. Honestly, a press overhead is just totally fine. We can go with that for today. When we go back down, just 1 head of the dumbbell is going to touch. We don't need to have both, all right? Obviously, if you're going to do 1 dumbbell, in between the legs on this one, same thing, catch, and then I could go overhead with it. All right, devil's press. Okay, that's the next one, the final one. On this one, devil's press, essentially is going to start with both dumbbells on the ground. You guys are going to perform a burpee to the dumbbells. You guys are going to keep your hands, the first one's a little bit awkward, right? But as the movement goes along, you guys will be able to kind of pick it up. But I'm going to burpee down, hands are going to be on the head, or the handles of the dumbbell. All right, so I'm going to be here, I'm going to be in between, chest is to the floor. Now when I pop up, my hands stay on the dumbbells. I'm going to be here, I'm going to look to kind of push them back, use my momentum to get it overhead, come back down. Now my hands are going to stay on the dumbbell, burpee, up, and then through. All right? If you guys have 1 dumbbell, luckily for you, you get to get it a little bit easier on this movement. It's just going to be an alternating dumbbell snatch for today. All right, so no burpee or anything like that. Okay, that's going to take care of the dumbbell movements. As far as the all body weight goes, let's see, line hops, self-explanatory on that one. Actually, speaking of, let's go over what those dumbbell hops are real quick. So, if you have 2 dumbbells, they are going to be together. Obviously, if you have 1, just single. The line hops can get a little tricky in the sense of counting, the dumbbell hops rather. It's going to be, even though it says 21, over and back. So if you see the name in it, it's over and back hops, and it's exactly how it sounds. It's over and back. So every side that you start on and then you land on, that is 1 rep, right? So here, and then that's 1. So essentially it's 42 total reps for each one. If you guys have the line hops, It's the same thing, it's just line hops through, okay? All right, so that goes over the hops. And back to the all body weight version. So line hops, we got reverse lunges. It's not a jumping lunge, just a simple step back lunge. Next is gonna be the Spider-Man push-ups. I don't know if that's what it's really called. It works for me, and we'll see how it goes. So Spider-Man push-up is going to be, you guys are gonna perform a full push-up, and then we're gonna switch, kind of like a Spider-Man stretch that we do a lot. So I'll just show you guys real quick. So I'm gonna do that full push-up, right? Boom, boom, and then back, that's one. Push up, boom, boom, that's two. All right, so that's gonna be the Spider-Man push-ups, and then 6 burpees, and that's gonna be the body weight variation. All right, those demos got me going a little bit. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this workout. You do work, and then you do get to get a little bit of rest, and essentially the scores all throughout today's work is just gonna be all for time. All right, not total time, but each round will be for time. All right, so that's gonna cover it, and have fun. See you guys.